How to do meditation. Meditation is a practice that has been used for thousands of years to help calm the mind, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. Here are some steps to help you start a meditation practice. Step 1. Find a quiet place. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position and make sure you won't be disturbed for the next few minutes. Step 2. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and begin to focus on your breath. Pay attention to the sensation of the air as it moves in and out of your body. If your mind starts to wander, simply bring your focus back to your breath. Step 3. Set a timer. Start with a short amount of time, such as 5 or 10 minutes, and gradually increase the length of your meditation as you become more comfortable with the practice. Step 4. Keep it simple. Meditation doesn't have to be complicated. Simply focus on your breath and let any thoughts or distractions pass by, without getting caught up in them. Step 5. Make it a habit. Try to meditate at the same time every day to help establish it as a daily habit. You can also try incorporating meditation into your morning or bedtime routine, to make it a natural part of your day. Step 6. Experiment. There are many different forms of meditation, so feel free to experiment and find what works best.